I'm Kayla with WTI. Don't want to have bad breath while you're traveling? Then check out this mouthwash from Hello. I love this mouthwash for so many reasons. First of all, it's travel size. So I like that I can conveniently take this with us when we travel. It's nice, it's small and compact. The bottle is extremely durable and it's super easy to use. What I love about it next is that this isn't just your typical mouthwash. This is a mouthwash concentrate. So I can actually customize the strength of the mouthwash each time that I use it. It's so easy to customize. The cap has a little water line that I fill up to the water line, and then from there you add 1, 2, or 3 pumps depending on what level of strength that I want that day. And then you just swish it and your mouth is so fresh. This is the clean mint version and it's really a nice minty flavor. I typically utilize about 2 pumps and I don't feel like that's too strong. It doesn't have that burning mouthwash sensation, but it leaves me with nice fresh breath. To be honest, this is the first time that I've tried a mouthwash concentrate that you can actually choose the amount of concentrate that you mix with the water, and I absolutely love it. I love the convenient size and I love that this leaves my breath fresh, but that's just my point of view.